Eugene, what? You wanna go Jollibee? Let's go inside, guys. It's weekdays kaya walang tao. That's what we want. What do you want, Eugene, to eat? What?
You want water?
I don't want.
No, take. I want water. So,
Oh.
wow.
So guys, ngayon lang ako makakatikim nitong spaghetti spicy. Yan. Kasi akala ko, ang tinatanong ni hubby is yung chicken kung spicy. Yung pala, spaghetti ang tinatanong niya. So sabi ko spicy. So ayan, kinalabasan, spicy spaghetti dito sa Malaysia. So guys, nakauwi na kami. Pero syempre yung take out mo Jollibee kakainin ko na ngayon. That's a Jollibee. Spicy siya, kaya hindi ko siya nakain doon sa mismong Jollibee store. Pinagdalawa sa Jollibee, oh. Wait, so we're going to eat.
We're going to eat ice cream.
Where?
Ice cream.
At
At Jollibee. Jollibee ice cream. Right? Ice cream.
Get your ice cream to Jollibee.
Ice cream.
Hold it well. Jollibee ice cream.
Do you want this one? Do you want a big one? No? This one's small.
Let's eat ice cream.
Let's eat ice cream.
Jollibee ice cream. Do you like Jollibee ice cream? Do you like Jollibee ice cream?
Yes.
Oh. Oh no. Tissue. Don't wipe there.